Racing just is started. We have Jen's Joy break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside as and done for your eyes only. Out of sight while expecting. Kaitlyn is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. We have a Zendan, Jen's Joyce by the rail. Then 2 lanes away in third comes for your eyes only. Out of sight while expecting. Kaitlyn is still racing less. And as they swing down the back, we have ascendant by about 2 lanes. Jen's Joy in second for your eyes only. Moving a party outside, out of sight while expecting Kaitlyn is still racing less. Back to the leader, we have ascendant by our length and a half. Jen's Joy in second for your eyes only, still in third. Coming closer in fourth now is out of sight. Expecting Kaitlyn like twice now, moving up. Last 400 meters of the race, we have ascendant. Jen's Joy is down on the inside for your eyes only, expecting Kaitlyn now rushing about the outside as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Jen's Joy. By your length and a half. Moving up for the outside for your eyes only, expecting Kaitlyn. Jen's Joy for your eyes only, expecting Kaitlyn. And finally is Jen's Joy. Close between expecting Kaitlyn and out of sight.